Looking for a dependable charger that handles your devices without fuss? The Rapid Charge Fixed AC adapter delivers a solid 15W total output, balancing power and reliability for everyday use. Whether you need to charge your phone, tablet, or other gadgets, this adapter has you covered with two versatile ports. What sets this charger apart is its dual-port design. One USB-A port offering 18W and a USB-C port capable of 20W. This combination means you can power up multiple devices simultaneously, without worrying about slow charging or compatibility issues. It's a practical solution for anyone juggling different gadgets. Beyond power, the charger feels premium in your hand thanks to its soft touch materialization. It's not just about looks, the sturdy build ensures it won't wear out quickly or feel cheap. This is a charger designed to last, handling daily wear and tear with ease. Users across the United States have praised this adapter for its solid construction and dependable performance. While it's not the fastest charger on the market, it reliably gets the job done. If you want a no-nonsense, well-made charger without paying a premium, this is worth considering. If you're tired of flimsy chargers that break or underperform, this rapid charge adapter offers a balance of durability and convenience. The USB-C port's 20W output supports faster charging for compatible devices, while the USB-A port covers older tech. It's a flexible setup that adapts to your needs. Worth a look if you value a charger that feels sturdy and performs consistently. Its modest power output is perfect for everyday devices without the risk of overheating or damaging batteries. This adapter is a smart choice for anyone seeking reliability over flashy features. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging setup with a product that combines thoughtful design and practical power. The Rapid Charge Fixed AC adapter is straightforward, dependable, and built to last, qualities that matter when it comes to keeping your devices ready. Don't settle for chargers that feel cheap or fail when you need them most. This adapter's solid build and dual-port versatility make it a reliable companion for your daily tech needs. Consider it your go-to for steady charging without surprises.